The Truxton Park Boat Ramp is one of only 2 boat ramps countywide and has become victim to deterioration over the years. For the past 5 years, the City of Annapolis has been looking at funding sources to repair this recreational spot in Annapolis, restoring it for the benefit of boaters and the wildlife inhabiting the water and shore.
This is a challenging job. Challenging because of the season, and challenging because come March we'll be into fish spawning time, and so the heavy work we have to do before that time, and then afterwards develop a kind of float system, if you will, around the project so that the spawning of the fish in the upper head of these creeks are not hurt.
So that means until approximately May 1st of 2009, the Truxton Park Boat Ramp area will be closed to the public for work on the boat ramps, as well as piers and the parking area. KCI Technologies is the engineering firm and was brought on board about a year and a half ago. Chris Overcash is head engineer of the design team.
There's permitting agencies, including the Maryland Department of the Environment, that have restrictions based on actually wild fowl as well as fish species which spawn during earlier parts of the year. So we had to make sure that the design was tailored to be constructed at the part of the year that could meet those parameters, as well as make sure that we're complete in time for the boating public to utilize the facility.
The project scope includes replacing the existing concrete ramps, rebuilding 2 finger piers, adding 1 floating pier, and replacing the L-shaped pier with an accessible floating pier. The result of this project? Safer and more accessible boat ramps, as well as improved communications for the rules of the ramps and the parking area.
Our paramount responsibility is to uphold the safety of the public. So we need to design the system. We need to make sure it can handle all the loads and the weather conditions and everything else that's involved with using a boat dock and the piers for recreational purposes.
For more information on this project, you can call the Annapolis Recreation and Parks Department at 410-263-7958.